All right, folks, we're back with a new video. This is something entirely different. This is a new series named Impact Daily. It's a special show. You'll find out why. And we've got some special guests as well on this first episode of Impact Daily. I've got my dear friend Suryang and his sister Abhigya. So, what's that first question, Suryang, which could kick off this special show with a bang?
Thank you, Harsh. That was a pleasant introduction. Well,
Mhm.
there are many questions, but I need to ask, how do we need to stay fit inside our homes?
Well, there are many ways to stay inside your homes. I'll tell you my perspective, what I am doing. Me being a sportsman, I'm practicing some basic drills to enhance my game. I'm playing cricket in the corridors with my dad to just maintain that level of fitness, and I'm just staying in touch with my sport by watching highlights and previous year games.
Well, Harsh, you said a great answer. But what do you need to say for the people who aren't into sports, who are not sports person? How
Well,
can they be
hmm,
fit?
well, they can just practice some basic stretching exercise to maintain a level of fitness, which they used to do before this quarantine, because this quarantine is um, can make you lethargic. So you can just practice that 10 to 15 minutes workout and stay fit. That's I mean, the basic thing you can do.
Yeah, and you can also do a balanced diet, because this is a situation where you are cutting yourself out from junk food and stuff. And as we are in a we all are stuck here in our family, and my whole family is doing dieting. We have created such a healthy situation in our home, such a healthy environment, where we all are dieting, we all are having healthy food. And that is a great thing. If you could all try, that is a great, I mean, in my opinion, it's the best way to be fit,
Yes, yes, absolutely right.
having
Because
healthy diet.
yes, you're automatically cutting down on the junk food because you're not ordering anything. But if you ask me, I'm not following a prescribed diet. I'm just eating whatever is being made at home, be it healthy, be it junk. I'm just filling my stomach. All right, so that was the physical aspect. Now let's move on to the mental aspect, because this is the time when the negative emotions, feelings, and thoughts are most likely to dominate your mind. So how do you cope with that, Suryank?
Like everyone has their own way to calm themselves down. Like my sister do theater, I play cricket, you play cricket, and other people want to read books. To be honest, I don't want to read books. Uh, to be honest, I don't want to act, um, and I want to stay fit. I want to uh, stay moving. This quarantine make me feel that I am in a small home and I am not happy, because I am a sports person and
Oh
I
yes,
want
yes,
to play.
yeah,
I
that's
want
bound to
to
happen.
play,
Yes,
and there is no option to go.
go out. Yes, yes. I feel you. I feel the
So
same.
I started to watch some dramatics movie to to vanish the negativity of our house. I
Mhm.
watch one dramatics movie doesn't harm our future.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, yes. You need to entertain yourself as well.
yes, and I contributed to help my mother and grandmother also. I washed my own utensil and other utensil also. Uh, and I mop my floor daily. I do yoga to stay in peace.
Hmm.
So so this is my schedule, and this is how I stay fit in my home. And
Well,
this situation, the mental aspect is above the physical
yes, yes,
aspect.
yes, absolutely. And by the way, you said that you do
And
yoga to be at peace. I read books. I've started to read books to be at peace. This quarantine has made me
yeah,
pick up this good habit of
I
it.
mean, I love reading. Peace in quarantine is doesn't necessarily have an impact on me to read books, because I've always read books, a lot of books. But he said a wonderful things, that we all have this different things to make ourselves calm. We
Yes.
cannot say for a particular person that movies is going to make you feel calm, or doing yoga is going to make you feel calm. We all have different things that make us feel calm, right? So for me, I mean, I read books, I watch lots of series and stuff, and I'm not suggesting that you should watch a lot of series because that's not entirely good. But I started writing as well, and I've got 200 views, and I never thought that I could. I mean, it's not that great, but 200 people are reading my book, and that
That's
is
really great.
something.
Yes, even I started I started to read books in March only, and I've read 7 books by now, and I'm on my 8th book right now. I can't believe that I would read so many books during this phase, but that has really happened, and yes, it is. You know, I'm at peace now.
This is a time where we can enhance ourselves, where we can improve ourselves, and I think we all should cherish it.
Also, before quarantine, we all would say that we don't have enough time to just to perform the basic tiny little things that we always wanted to do, but during this quarantine we have loads of time, and we can't even make that excuse that we don't have that much time, and we can all fulfill those tiny desires that we always wanted to do.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
All right, so Riyank, is there something you want to add up to this?
Yes, Harsh, I like to add up something that my elder sister, Snigdha Sakshi, she lives in Pune, and
Mhm.
she is doing architecture, and she is using his talent and painting her house, and she is really talented and the utilizing the quarantine. This is the way that we can use our talent, and there's enough time, there is no excuse that we can't do, we don't have much time. And she is very talented, uh, and she is using her talent in a good way, in a right way, and I am really inspired from her. And the way she is doing, the way she is dedicated to her work, we both are inspired.
Yes, yes. Is there any
And
other
As
question?
Suryang said,
Mhm.
that we all are being inspired by our siblings and stuff. I really think that using our time to do what you are really good at and enhancing your talents within talents, that is something. Yeah, like he said, she's also my sister, and I'd really like to appreciate her work. I mean, she painted her ceiling, she's preparing herself for competitive exams, and she's also teaching me as I am starting to, this time has made me realize what I really want to do after my 12th exams. And she is teaching me every day, she's calling me and telling me. So that is a time where we are all connecting with our family. And Ludo has been a great part of it.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
I mean,
Yeah.
I'd really like to add that Ludo has been great.
and the way she is teaching my sister, my elder sister, that way that there's something we are good at, we can teach other that in quarantine, and we can teach other people that we the skills that we are good, that the skill we are good at.
Mhm. Yes, is there any question you would like to ask me, Surya?
Uh, as Suryang said that she's teaching in everything, I'd like to add that there was a famous person who said that knowledge is something you don't keep for yourself, but you spread it and your knowledge grows. So that is also, you can all learn from that, that you, yeah, she's applying that rule. And you, I mean, if I am knowledgeable person, I am not growing my knowledge by keeping it to myself. So I'm
Yes, yes,
spreading it all over.
yes,
Like
yes.
you are doing, Harsh. You are spreading your thoughts, your ideas through YouTube, and that is a great thing. I'd like to,
Yes,
acknowledge that.
yes, yes. I mean, this was YouTube was one of my tiny desires that I've always wanted to do, but I didn't have enough time. But now this quarantine has given me
This is
so
the
much
time
time.
we can complete our
Yes,
passion, we can go through the great situation, not the great situation. Harsh, I want to ask a question.
uh-huh.
What was your routine before quarantine, and how has it changed during quarantine? Please
All right.
answer.
Okay. Okay. Before quarantine, my board exams were going on, so I was, I just wanted to get done with my board exam and get back to my cricket. But that didn't happen. During those times, I was just having a pretty simple schedule. I would wake up, study, have lunch, play cricket, come back, take a bath, and dinner, study, sleep. A pretty laid back and simple schedule. But now during quarantine, you have to assess every hour. You have to see what you can do during these times, because earlier you were going out, you were playing cricket. I mean, you just had total control of your time. But now you're logged in your house 24/7, and you have
Harsh,
to.
I'm not dubious about that, because every people, every student, the every student ने 10th नहीं दिया था, जैसे मैंने 9th दिया था, मेरी बहन ने 10th दिया था, मतलब आप this was the vacation was a stress buster. You thought that after the board exam you will play, you will enjoy, and you know the rest.
Yes,
What
yes.
happened?
I mean, after when the board exams get over, you get a 2 weeks holiday. And I wanted to focus on sports exclusively during those times, but that didn't happen for sure. And we've got this golden time, I would say. I would like to keep it separate from past and future, but I still believe that it's going to set the tone for our near future, because when we come back,
You
it's going to suggest who has come back stronger and who has an edge.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Harsh. I mean, this has been a great time for us, and I think that, before quarantine, my routine wasn't as good as it is now. I mean, I can do a lot of things. There is a lot of time I have left at the end of the day. Before quarantine, at the end of the night, I used to think that what are the things I was supposed to do and I didn't do because I didn't have the time to do. I every night I used to go when I used to go back to sleep. I used to think, there were a lot of things I was supposed to do today and I didn't do because I didn't have the time. And now when I'm sleeping, I can sleep peacefully because I've done everything I was supposed to do, and I have then also have a lot of time at the night to, we are spending time with our family, which we didn't before quarantine. We did spend some time with our family, but not as much as we are doing it now.
Also, I always wanted to, make some music, make some songs. I never got the time to do it, but now I got the time and I really did it, and I did it for a cause. All right, so yeah, many people are, by the way, are saying that this is going to be the worst year ever, just because of this pandemic situation, and also because of the huge losses in the film industry as
Yes.
well. So, but I believe that this is going to be the best year ever, just because of this quarantine phase, because this phase has never come in generations. The first time, or probably the first time it has come, and it's providing us, we can just
Harsh,
focus on.
I wouldn't say that it was the worst year. I wouldn't say that it was the best year. But yeah, it wasn't as bad as we thought, as we could make it. We can make it as bad, the worst year, if we don't follow the rules, if we don't cherish what we are getting right now, if we don't use the time for doing self enhancement, self improvement and stuff.
Yes,
And
yes,
it depend on us that this is how we can make this year good or bad.
yes, perspective. Absolutely, there are two ways to
Yes,
look at it. Either you say it's the worst year
you
ever
can
just
say
because of
that
the
this has to
situation.
be happened, that
Yes, yes,
everyone has their own way to look at it, that
hmm.
somebody will go through wrong direction, and somebody will go to right direction.
Yes, yes, yes. The two ways to look at it. Either you treat it as
He's
bad,
Yeah,
just because of this current situation, or you cherish these moments. You make the best use out of these times, and you build yourself.
this
Two
this
ways.
is a time where we can use ourselves for the things we always wanted to do. Like you just said earlier, Harsh, that you always were, pulled, YouTube always pulled yourself, yeah, right? And writing, I never thought that writing could be something I can write, and during and then not just writing, I mean, before quarantine, I never thought I was so much into theater, but I never, because theater is something where you do live in front of the people, in front of a whole audience, and you change your dialogues and you do a lot of things in theater. but I never thought that we could do theater online, and we are having competitions. I'm participating online, and that is something that we should acknowledge. We should appreciate that technology has made us doing things that we. If you ask your grandparents about how this has happened, I mean, they wouldn't ever think. I mean, imagine yourself being in 19 or 2000s 20th century or 19th century, and then this would have happened. See, you wouldn't be able to do any of the things you are doing now.
Yes, technology,
So
technology.
we should appreciate the technology we're having, and we should, you know, we should cherish it. We should go
Also, yes. Yeah, I'm the most of the books that I'm reading are on the Kindle. I'm reading most of the books on Kindle because you just can't order books. So yes, technology is playing a big role during these times.
and most of the people right now will think that COVID-19 is an indomitable disease. It is an indomitable pandemic, and we cannot get out of. But we are fighting. All of us are fighting through it, and India is gonna come stronger. I believe in that theory. I really believe that India is gonna come stronger out of this.
Not just India, the
Harsh,
whole world has to, come out
this
of it.
is I'm repeating once, twice, thrice. I can repeat it 100 times. That
Okay.
this is the time we can enhance our skill. This is the time we can follow our passion, follow our desire. This is the time we can develop our skills. This is everybody is thinking that what can we do
Yes, yes,
during
yes. This is,
quarantine?
I mean,
What
we have
can
to
we
spread the
do?
word. Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes, yes. Because there's a lot of hate going on, and we just have to,
exactly.
spread the. Uh, we have to make people look at
Positive.
the positive
Po-
side.
yes.
Yes, yes,
It's obviously up to us how we take this quarantine. If we have two options, there always are two roads, and we can take it positively or we can take it negatively. But if we take it positively, this is going to help us, our family. I myself am realizing a lot of things I never realized before, right? I am realizing that I wasn't good at things. I was so bad at things, and now with my parents, they are.
uh, Harsh, to be honest, earlier I was thinking in negatively way, that what can I do during quarantine. But when I search in Google, I develop my skill. I listen to my mother, father, grandmothers, and I develop my skill.
yes,
and
yes, yes.
and I know that I'm developing, and know I'm improving myself. And during this quarantine, we can tell our grandparents, grandmother, grandfather, that they can tell us their childhood story. I surely know that their childhood story was amazing.
Yes, yes.
This is the
During the
time
yes,
we can spend our time with grandparents.
during the
They're very
initial days,
precious
it
with
was
us.
hard for me as well to entertain myself without no sports. But with time, I got used to it, and this quarantine also introduced me to Harry Potter for the first time, and that kept me occupied for days.
Yeah, as you said about reading books in Harry Potter, I'd like to say a few words that there are not everybody is into books.
Hmm.
Not everybody is into theater. Not everybody is into movies. But
Yes,
this is a time where we can find what we really are into. You
yes.
know, this
We
is a
can.
time where we can find our hidden talents. Where I mean, there are a lot of people who did not think that the things they're doing now they couldn't do before. So this is a time where you can know yourself, you can believe in yourself, you can know what you are capable of.
Yes, yes. Even I wasn't into that much into reading, but if not in the future, but during these times, I'm really into reading. All right, so it has been a really impactful conversation by now. So let's just finish it up with the most important question, that why do we need to stay inside our homes? You can still go out because no one's going out of their home. So you can think that you can go out and you can, just have a walk around. You can play. I mean, you could do anything just by going out, just as we saw the situation near the liquor shops. But yes, so the question comes down, why do we need to stay inside our homes?
Harsh, I'd like to speak to that. We need to stay at home because when we go out, I mean, more important question is why do we need to go out? I mean, you're having this wonderful time at home. You're spending time with your parents. You're spending time with your family. I think you don't need to go out. And if I mean, I'm not saying that people aren't restless at home. They are restless at home. They want to go out.
Yes.
I mean, I cannot say that I myself want to go out because I quarantine or not, I don't go out that much. But for sport people like you, Suryank and Harsh, I think that it is very restless for you people to stay at home, but you are right because that's what the right thing is. And if you go out in quarantine, people are going to get affected. You know, if it's not only you who is being affected, there are thousands of people you could affect. You know, there
Yes.
are thousands of lives you could destroy. There are not just lives, their families, because this is a situation which, you know, you can't even meet your family when you're dying. this is such this is a very awful pandemic, and we need to stay at home. I mean, I don't see a point going out.
Thanks again. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please drop a like down below, smash the subscribe button, press the notification icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video, and follow all my handles, Insta handles. I'll link everything in the description. And yes, just thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.